Parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. While there are many intelligent parrot species, here are some of the top parrots. 1. African gray parrot, in Latin, Psittacus erythicus. African gray parrots are widely regarded as the most intelligent parrot species. They have an exceptional ability to mimic and understand human speech, often demonstrating advanced problem-solving skills. African greys are highly social and require mental stimulation to thrive. 2. Amazon parrots, Amazona species. Amazon parrots, particularly the yellow-headed Amazon, Amazona oratrix, and the blue-fronted Amazon, Amazona aestiva, are known for their intelligence. They exhibit excellent communication skills and can learn a large vocabulary. 3. Eclectus parrot, Eclectus roratus. Eclectus parrots are highly intelligent and have a remarkable ability to solve complex puzzles. They are known for their strong problem-solving skills and can learn to mimic human speech. 4. Cockatoos, Cockatuidae family. Several species of cockatoos, such as the Goffin's cockatoo, Coccatua goffiniana, and the umbrella cockatoo, Coccatua alba, are considered intelligent. They possess a high level of curiosity, exhibit problem-solving abilities, and can learn to perform various tricks. 5. Macaws, Era species. Macaws, including the blue and gold macaw, Era ararana, and the scarlet macaw, Era macaw, are renowned for their intelligence. They have excellent memory and can learn complex tasks. Macaws are also known for their impressive vocal abilities. It's important to note that each parrot has its own personality and intelligence level, regardless of its species. Proper care, social interaction, and mental stimulation are crucial for the development of their intelligence. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. Thanks for watching.